It's that time of year again. Welcome to AppNation 2011. First things first, my big keynote. Where is everyone? Am I early? What's the deal? They said 2.
This episode of App Judgment is brought to you by GoDaddy.
Hey, it's Annie from AppJudgment. We just hitched a ride over here to AppNation in this monkey business wagon. Don't tell anyone we parked here. But we're here at AppNation 2011 at Moscone Center in San Francisco, here to bring you some of the latest and greatest apps out there for iPhone and Android. All right, we're here with Jay from Infinite Monkeys. That sounds like fun. Tell us about it.
It's great fun. We've created a platform that allows basically anybody to go in online and create their own mobile social network for their niche community. You know, their daughter's softball team, their choir, their church, whatever.
Their app show.
Their app show, absolutely. Small business, anything where you have fans and you have content sources, you can pull them together and create one of our apps. You get an HTML5 version of your app for free. If you want it native we have a whole variety of iPhone and Android markets that we're in, it's $49.
All right, we're here with Paul from Appy Entertainment. Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you.
So why don't you tell us about a couple of your most popular games?
Absolutely. Well, our 2 most popular games at Appy are a game called Face Fighter, where you can take a picture of your friend and put it in the game and then just beat the holy love out of them. And another game called Trucks and Skulls, which is where you launch these nitro-burning monster trucks into piles of laughing skulls.
Anything new coming down the pipeline you can tell us about?
We are going to release new versions of both Trucks and Skulls and Face Fighter shortly, which will have new content and new ways for players to interact with the game, new stuff they can buy, new levels. Those are secret. They should be out in a couple months. And then our next original title, we're very seriously considering an original role-playing game, which we hope would be out by the end of the year.
All right, we're here with John from Cloud Talk. Tell us about Cloud Talk.
So Cloud Talk is about bringing voice back into how we communicate with each other, right? These days we all like to text each other, it's very convenient, but we don't get to use our voices. If we want to use our voices, we have to phone someone up and interrupt them, and you know, Cloud Talk's a bit like how you wish voicemail was. You can send a voice message to someone and they can send you a response back and there's no phone calls involved.
At least from the little bit that I heard, it sounded like you guys had a very interesting conversation.
So it's just like texting. So basically, I run up the application and I can leave a message for someone using my voice. I can also send them a photo or a video, or I can use text if that's appropriate for that particular communication.
All right, more new apps in a sec from AppNation, but first let's take a quick break to thank our sponsor.
So Chris, I've been trying to come up with a domain name for this new project I'm working on, secret project.
Top secret.
And you know, I haven't really found anything good. I mean, there's been just like random thoughts that have gone through my head, like, you know, .tv or something like that.
Oh, really? .tv,
Wait.
You say?
That's not too bad, actually.
That's actually a really good domain.
Wow, can we bleep that later? I want to get on that.
You guys are not stealing that domain.
Yeah,
we're going to get that.
Let's bleep that.
And it's great though, because .tv domains are a way to stand out from the crowd. Everybody else has got .com or .net, and what's best is that you can get these from GoDaddy.com. They're perfect for video bloggers or anybody who has anything to say. And also, when you're using GoDaddy, you can check out their iPhone, Android, or BlackBerry apps, order right from your phone, manage your current domains, and more.
It's true. And because you love Revision 3, check out revision3.com/GoDaddy for a list of all the amazing GoDaddy deals. And right now, you can type in the code JUDGE10 to get $7.99.com domains.
So Austin, we hear you have something over here that we might be interested in.
Yes, I do. We actually have, this is Yahoo Connected TV, and we launched in 2009. We have about 8 million devices out there, and you are actually one of the applications, Revision 3, on Yahoo Connected TV. So if I hit a little button on my remote, the Yahoo button here, the dock pops up. So you can see Revision 3 is actually one of the apps in our dock. So if I select that, it'll go into a sidebar. I'm still watching TV.
Hey, it's
I can
Shannon.
get out there, yeah.
Watch Hack 5 everyone.
I can get information about content on the TV while I'm watching. It's not interrupting my TV program. I can check stuff out. I can view some really cool Revision 3 videos, maybe a Twitter feed, all sorts of stuff.
So anything new coming down the pipeline that we should know about?
Yeah, actually 2 really exciting things that we announced at CES this year. One is called device control. It's the ability to share content and create an ecosystem of content with other devices, so tablets, mobile phones, all PC, whatever it is. And not just controlling the device, but sharing video, Twitter feeds, whatever you want, content. And then also broadcast interactivity, and that's the ability to detect what you're watching and deliver rich web content around that.
All right, now this looks very convenient. Tell us about it.
Yeah, you know, convenience is based on how much pain a consumer has. And the place where we find consumers have a lot of pain is in standing in line waiting for something, right? And in some scenarios, like sports stadiums, you paid $100 for a ticket, and now you're hungry, and it takes you 20 minutes to get out of your chair and walk up to the concession. So what we're trying to do is cut short all of that time that you spend away from the reason why you went there in the first place. Be able to pull up your app, and you see a menu whenever you're at the venue, and you order from your phone, and the order will be delivered to you. So that's a convenience.
Is this a free app?
It is a free app. It's available both on the iPhone and the Android.
This looks like it would be very handy at Giants games when you really got to have those garlic fries and you don't want to wait in line.
So Poken is your social business card. It's a little NFC-based product that's a USB stick, and you can use it to collect people, places, and things. So they come in many different forms. Here I have a limited edition Obama Poken and a little one-eyed alien Poken. Basically, when you meet someone at an event or trade show, you just touch them together, they glow, and you've exchanged your social business card. We also have phone apps that basically do the same thing. You have a phone app, and when you want to collect someone, you just touch the phones together. And here we're using near-field communication technology, NFC, so it's instant, it works anywhere. Also, when you touch a Poken, so I have here a different format here, it's a little USB stick, and when I touch this Poken with my phone, the phone actually reads my business card off the Poken, and as you see, it's popped up on my phone as well as in my web account. You keep track of all the people, places, and things you come across on a timeline on the web, so it's very convenient. You can scroll back and see who you've met, where, and when.
All right, so we ran into our old friend, Brian Wong. Brian, you have 4 words to get our attention.
Free stuff for playing games.
Free stuff, you say? Okay, tell us more.
So we're Keep. We are a rewards network, and basically what we realized was that ads in games kind of suck. So we realized that instead of, when you level up or you get a top score and here's a banner ad, we're like, well, what if you got something for free, something real? Let's say you leveled up and you got a vitamin water or you got a pop chips or whatever. And so we decided to build a network around that. Right now we're sort of opening up and telling about game developers, this is the offering that we have, and we're helping you build a stickier game because of the fact that instead of getting badges or just top scores, people actually get real, tangible things.
Awesome. All right, well, there you go. Another year, another AppNation. If anything jumped out at you, let us know on Twitter at AppJudgment. You can also find the show on Facebook, YouTube, and as always on our homepage at revision3.com/AppJudgment. You can also find me personally on Twitter at Annie Gauss. See you next time.